Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, SheJoJo Serious. In this video, we will be going over how to fry shrimp, keeping in mind there are several ways to fry shrimp, including how to make your shrimp batter, and that will determine the appearance of your shrimp. So using just a few ingredients, we'll take a look at how I make my fried shrimp at home. So the secret is always the seafood seasoning, and you always want to use egg wash, and that will help with the coating of your shrimp batter. And once your grease is hot enough, go ahead and put the shrimp in the frying pan, and it should only take about 3 to 4 minutes. Now if you're using large or jumbo sized shrimp, keep in mind it can take 5 to 7 minutes or even longer if frozen. And once they are done, place them on a napkin to soak up some of that excess fried grease, and they are ready to serve. This dish can be made in under 15 minutes. You can enjoy it by itself or alongside your other favorite fried foods. Until next time, my name is SheJoJo Serious, and I'll be back with some more recipes.
JoJo.